Welcome to the Practical Piano Practice Lesson number 4. You've made it this far. I'm so proud of you. Now, the new note we are going to learn today is E. If you look at our first example, you can see that E is on the bottom line of the treble clef. Remember we spoke last time about space notes and line notes. Now this is going to be our first official line note on the staff. And as you can see, it goes between E and D in this example, and we are going to count up to 4 for each measure since we're in 4/4, and you notice there are quarter note rests as well. Let's give this one a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know more notes than E and D, but I just wanted you to practice between playing your second finger and your third finger. Let's give this a practice try. All right, let's give this one a try. Our new note, which is E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's try to make that really nice and connected or legato at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. I remember the first time that I learned a song that I was familiar with when I was taking piano lessons. I was extremely happy and excited, and I hope you are too, and I hope you recognize this next song that we are about to play. It incorporates E, D, and C in your right hand only. If you look at your left hand, all rests. And very simple rhythm, just quarter notes and half notes, and we end with a whole note. And we're also applying a 2-system process of looking at the music, left to right for the 2 systems. Now, let's give this one a try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's practice this. Now, finally, we get to play a song. And let's begin with our right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it's not that difficult rhythmically, but with all these notes constantly moving around, it does get a little bit tricky. Great work. If you look in the next example, you'll see we have another new note, which is A. A has the same principle as E does in the right hand, but it is now in the left hand or the bass clef. It is the first line note on the top of the staff in the bass clef. So as you see this example, it begins with a B, which we learned in our last lesson, which is the space note above the bass clef. And then right below that, going down, is the A surrounding the line. This example also includes a dotted half note, but now we're doing a dotted half note within 4/4. So the way we count that is it gets 3 beats, and then we have 1 beat left over, which equals 4. So you count 1, 2, 3, and then the next note will get the 4th beat. Now this example has only B and A, and it's in our left hand, so we're gonna use our second finger and our third finger. Place your hand on the piano, and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, practice it. All right, now we're just going to do our left hand, our B's and our A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work. This next example is in 3/4, and it is only going to use the left hand to play, but we are now going to incorporate our C as well. So these are going to have the notes of A, B, and C. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's a little fast. We'll do it a little bit slower in the practice session, but remember we're in 3/4, so we count up to 3 for each measure, and we are going to use all 3 of our fingers and C, B, and A. Let's practice. Now we are in 3/4, and we are going to have dotted half notes, quarter notes, and C, B, and A. And we're reading the music like we would read a book from left to right for these two systems. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the trick with 3/4 is to keep it moving. Keep that even 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great work. So in this next example, to end our lesson, we are going to be including E and A in both hands, half rests, quarter notes, half notes, whole notes, and at the very end, we are going to play 2 notes at the same time. I'm just going to go through it once, and at the very end, I'm going to explain how we play 2 notes at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, I played the E in the right hand and the A in the left hand at the same time. Both have number 3s, and you just press at the same time. You don't want to, or you want them exactly at the same time. Now, when 2 notes are played together, they are on top of each other. They are played exactly at the same time. You don't play E and then A, you play them identically. If they are not at the same time, they'll be next to each other. All right, let's give this a try. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this music is starting to sound more like music, not just rhythm and notes. Let's try this one again. And I'm going to try it this time without counting out loud, but I will be counting in my head, and you should as well. And let's try it one more time, and we could count out loud this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great work. Thank you so much for joining me for the practical piano practice lesson number 4. We are learning so much and it's starting to speed up a little bit because we did a lot of the fundamentals and the basics in our earlier lessons. So keep on practicing, try to practice every day if you can, go over this video and just play through these examples, get those fingers moving, build those muscles, and I'll see you at our next lesson. Thank you for joining me.